In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your age on TikTok without deleting your account or logging out. So if I go to my profile and then I tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then I tap on manage account, you can see there's no way to change your age. So what you need to do is use the TikTok's internal feedback system to send in a request to do so. So how you do that is you go back once you're on this page, and you go here by tapping the three horizontal dots at the top right from your profile. Then you want to scroll down till you see report a problem. So it's right there. I'm going to tap on that. And then I'm going to tap on account and profile. And then I want to tap on the second last one, which is editing profile. And then I'll tap on other at the bottom. Now from here, all you need to do is tap on need more help at the bottom. And then you'll be able to send them feedback. So you want to tell them that your age was entered incorrectly and you want to change it to the correct date. So put in something along those lines. You can even include a screenshot if you want, and then you tap on report at the bottom. It'll be ungrayed out once you filled everything in. And then what's going to happen is TikTok's going to send you an email to the email associated to your account. So if you go back out of all of this, and then you go to your profile manage account, you need to have access to that email because they're going to be emailing you there. And then you'll need to provide them with some sort of verification like your ID, and then they'll be able to get your age changed for you. This may take up to 48 hours for them to respond, but just be patient and they should be able to help you out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.